Hello and welcome to part 2 of your MAP protocol from your Performance and Accountability team. Before we get started, please remember to have your tracking form in front of you. And one of the first things that we're going to start putting on here when we're looking at student data are what we call 10-point RIT bands. So it's a range of scores on the RIT scale that students fall into when they're taking that growth assessment. And so I just want you to notice that that'll be what we put in the left column, and I just want you to notice how those RIT bands are written. They start with 1 and end with 10. So each time, for example, 141 to 150, 151 to 160, so on and so forth. So we're going to go into NWEA MAP, and we're going to navigate to our data. We're going to go to Class Profile, and then there's a tab that says Instructional Areas. We're going to use this to fill in our RIT bands and then also the student names under the instructional area columns. So I'm going to split my screen, show you how we're going to get there. So when you're at the home page, at the top you're going to click on Map Growth and click on Class Profile. Okay, once you are here, you just want to make sure that you have your subject correctly set up with a course. Also, determine which class you're going to be looking at. Remember, we're just looking at one class. Also, make sure that it says tested for winter and rostered for winter. If it doesn't, you can always click this blue link that says change selections. Otherwise, we're going to click on this tab that says Instructional Areas. Once here, we're going to scroll down and we're going to get to an area that says Students Grouped by Instructional Areas. Now, earlier on mine, I said my instructional area was Numerical Representations and Relationships, so I'm going to adjust mine to say that. And then I'm going to zoom out so we can see everything. Okay, so this has already got my students split into those 10-point RIT bands. So what I want to do on my tracker is let's go ahead and list those RIT bands starting with the lowest, going all the way to the highest, and yours might look different from mine, but I'm starting with 151 to 160 and going all the way to 231 to 240. So on my tracker, I'm going to go ahead and fill in that information. And if you need to, you can pause this video to fill in your 10-point RIT bands.